Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you've got some dirty dishes, then you're definitely gonna need some dishwasher detergent tabs. These are from Amazon Basics, and this is a pack of 85. So you got a lot here, and this is the fresh scent. And these are nice because it is a 2-in-1 grease fighter and rinse aid, so you don't have to add anything additional. You just pop one of these little packs into your dishwasher's detergent compartment, and that is it, you're good to go. It works really well at removing built-on, greasy, nasty messes that are left on your dishes, and I find that glass and everything comes out sparkling clean, and it has a nice light fresh scent. And I do not notice any residue. So I am really happy with these because you get a nice big amount here for a really affordable price. They work super well and they make your life easier. It's one easy step and then you're done. So I would definitely recommend these, and that is my point of view.